Hello students, now we will see exercise 11.4 of chapter 11 standard 7 NCERT maths. Okay, so last we have seen exercise 11.3, all sums we have seen. Now we will proceed ahead with exercise 11.4, question number 1. So let us see the question first. Question number 1 is, so question number 1 is, a garden is 90 meter long and 75 meter broad. Okay, so length and breadth of a garden is given to us. A path 5 meter wide is to be built outside and around it. Okay, so first of all, let us draw a rough figure for understanding the question. So a garden is given. Suppose this is the garden. Okay, let us give name. So A, B, C and D. So this is the garden and the length and breadth of the garden is given. This is 90 meter length and breadth is given 75 meter. So this is 75 meter. A path 5 meter wide. So 5 meter wide path is to be built outside and around it. So there is a path outside this garden. Okay, so suppose this is the path around the garden. Okay, let us give name. So E, F, G, H. So this is the path and this path is 5 meter wide. Okay, so 5 meter wide means यहाँ से यहाँ तक जो इसकी चौड़ाई है, that is the width is 5 meter. So based on this information we have two figures. Okay, now we need to find the area of the path. Area of the path means ये जो बीच वाला section है, this part, so that we need to find. So how we will find out this part? Area of this middle one, this path. Okay, so ये जो है that we need to find out. So for finding that, what you need to do? So first of all, there are two rectangles, ABCD and EFGH. So if you get the area of EFGH, the outer rectangle, okay, and if you get the area of ABCD, the inner rectangle, so there are two rectangles outside and inside. अगर ये दोनों का area निकाल के, if we will subtract both, if we will do subtraction part, the remaining part, that is this part, that we will get. So we will get the area of the path easily. So first of all, first we will talk about the figure EFGH. So there are two figures. First one is EFGH. So for this figure, what is length? Now this is the outer rectangle which is greater. So we will use symbol capital L and capital B for length and breadth. Another figure is ABCD. This is our another rectangle. So first rectangle EFGH है, second rectangle ABCD है. So ABCD छोटा rectangle है, right? So we will use the symbol small l and small b for length and breadth. Now for the greater rectangle, for finding greater rectangle, the length and breadth of the greater one is not given to us directly, but with the help of this we can get that. Now length of this rectangle ABCD, this is given, this is 90. So first of all, let us write this part. So that is 90 meter and breadth is given to us 75 meter. So length और breadth इसका दिया हुआ है ABCD गार्डन का. ओके, ये जो हमारा गार्डन है उसका हमको लेंथ एंड ब्रेथ दिया हुआ है. अब ये जो बाहर का है हमारा EFGH, सो उसका लेंथ कितना होगा? सो 90 मीटर तो दिया ही है, इतना पार्ट यहां से लेके यहां तक 90 मीटर दिया है. नाउ 5 मीटर वाइड, सो यहाँ पे भी 5 मीटर और यहाँ पे भी 5 मीटर. सो यू हैव टू ऐड 5 + 5 2 टाइम्स. सो ये जो बाहर वाला है उसका लेंथ होगा 90 + 5 + 5. ओके, I hope you understood. The length of this part, the outer rectangle EFGH, जो बड़ा वाला रेक्टेंगल है, बाहर वाला जो रेक्टेंगल है, उसका लेंथ कितना होगा? So that will be 90 + 5 + 5. So that will give you total, it will be 100. So 100 meter. So 100 meter आपका लेंथ हो जाएगा, ये जो बड़ा वाला रेक्टेंगल है उसका. Same way breadth. Now the breadth is 75 centimeter. Sorry, meter. So 75 meter आपको breadth दिया है. इसमें भी आपको यहाँ पे +5 और यहाँ पे +5. So दोनों में आपको 5 और 5 add up करना है. So 75 + 5 + 5. So that will be 85 meter. Okay. So we have length and breadth of both rectangles. Now we have to find out area of both and then we have to subtract. So first of all, for finding area of the path, okay, area of the path, we will get like this. First we will do area of rectangle, which is the bigger rectangle, this one EFGH. So area of rectangle EFGH minus area of rectangle ABCD. ओके, ये जो बड़ा वाला पार्ट है उसमें से हम इसको रिमूव कर देंगे, इसको निकाल देंगे, तो क्या बचेगा? यही बचेगा जो पाथ है हमारा, राइट, और उसी का एरिया हमको ढूंढना है. ओके, एरिया ऑफ द पाथ. सो वी आर फाइंडिंग दैट. Now area of rectangle EFGH, so that is bigger one. So for that we are taking symbol capital L and capital B. So L, sorry, multiply by B, and here small l. So small l multiply by small b. So now length multiply by breadth. So here 100 multiply by 85 minus this side 90 multiply by 75. Now 100 into 85 is very simple. You can do it orally. So it will be 8500 or 8500. And this side 90 multiplied by 75. So you can do the calculation part this side. 90 multiplied by 75. So we can do it like this way. We can do 75 multiplied by 9. And then we can add 0 at the end. So 9 5s are 45. So 5 and carry up 4. Okay. 9 7s are, 7 9s are is 63. And 63 plus 4 is 64, 65, 66, 67. So 67. So 6750, because here it was 90. So it will be 6750. Now you need to subtract this both. So 8500 minus 6750 will give you 0 and 0 will be 0. Here 10 minus 5 is 5. This will be 4 and then again 1. So 14 and this will be 7. 14 minus 7 will be 7 and 7 minus 6 will be 1. So your final answer will be 1750 meters square, because it is area and area is always in square units. So don't forget to write meter square. So 1750 meter square, ये हो जाएगा आपका फर्स्ट पार्ट का आंसर, that is area of the path. So area of the path, this we have got. Area of the path कितना मिल गया हमको? 1750. Now further they are telling also find area of the garden in hectare. So you have to find out area of the garden in hectare. Okay. So next part, area of the garden means this part, small part, this one, smaller rectangle. It means this. Area of the garden means this part, 6750. ये जो area of the garden है ये already हमारे पास है, इसको हमको convert करना है hectare में. Okay, so first of all we will write down area of garden, which already we have got, and that is 6750. 6750 meters square. This is 5. Okay. Now we need to convert this meter square into hectare. So first of all, 1 hectare, HA. Okay. This is the symbol for hectare. How we write hectare? Here इसका short form है HA. Okay. HA means hectare. So 1 hectare is equal to 10,000 meters square. So 1 hectare is equal to 10,000 meters square. So now we need to convert this. So we already have the answer in meter square. हमको meter square में already हमारा area आ चुका है. Okay. दैट इज 6750 मीटर स्क्वायर. सो ये मीटर स्क्वायर को हमको कन्वर्ट करना है हेक्टर में. सो मीटर स्क्वायर में हमारे पास ऑलरेडी है. ओके, हमको मीटर स्क्वायर से हेक्टर में जाना है. ओके, मीटर स्क्वायर से हमको हेक्टर में कन्वर्ट करना है. राइट, सो व्हाट वी विल डू, वी विल डिवाइड. सो 6750 डिवाइड बाय 10,000 HA. Why? Because we are converting into hectare. First it was in meter square, right? So meter square में already था, हम अब उसको हेक्टर में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. So उसके लिए क्या करेंगे, 10,000 से डिवाइड करेंगे. Okay? Because 1 hectare is equal to 10,000 meter square. So we need to divide it by 10,000. So here in place of meter square we will write hectare because we are converting to hectare. Now 0 and 0 can be cancelled. So this 0 and this 0 cancel हो जाएंगे, ये दोनों 0. Now what is left with us, 675 and here 1000 is left with us. Now 1000, there are 1, 2 and 3 zeros, right? So after 3 digit we will put decimal point. Okay, so first, second and third digit, right? So 675, 3 0 है. अब ये जो फ्रैक्शन है इसको हम डेसिमल में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. सो यहाँ पे क्या दिया है, 1000. 1000 में कितने जीरो है, 3 0. 3 0 है. सो 3 डिजिट के बाद वी विल पुट अ डेसिमल पॉइंट. ओके, सो स्टार्ट काउंटिंग. सो फर्स्ट डिजिट 1, 2 एंड 3. सो यहाँ पे हम डेसिमल पॉइंट रखेंगे. ओके, सो हियर वी कैन राइट 0. सो आवर फाइनल आंसर इज 0.675 hectare. Okay, so this is area of the garden in hectare. Okay, so this was the solution part of question number 1 of exercise 11.4 of chapter 11 of standard 7. Hope you understood.